Hi, this is Eric with TechShop and another edition of Tool Showcase. What I've got here is a Mac Tools 52-piece cordless screwdriver set. It comes in a case with a screwdriver, a USB-C charging cable, 3-bit extenders, and 48 premium bits. The screwdriver spins at 300 RPM, features a 70-minute quick charge, and has an IP54 rating for water and chemical resistance. It also features a 3-stage LED battery charge indicator, a 5-bulb LED light for your workspace, a quick change locking collet, and forward and reverse buttons. The bits or extenders snap in and out easily, and the bits include Phillips, posi drive, slotted, Torx, tamper-resistant Torx, tamper-resistant hex, ball-end hex, and square drive. It's lightweight and really compact. It's not much bigger than a regular screwdriver. The light is really bright, as you can see. It spins fast and seems powerful, and it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. This is a tool that will work great anywhere, but especially on interior work where the size can really make it nice. So if you'd like to see more about this tool and any of their other tools, visit MacTools.com. And don't forget to go to TechShopMag.com for more tool showcase videos. Thanks for watching TechShop's Tool Showcase.